Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The given figure shows some characteristic features marked as chordates. Identify correct labeling A, B, C and D. Option 1 A. Notochord, B. Post-anal part, C. Gill slit, D. Nerve cord. Option 2 A. Nerve cord, B. Notochord, C. Post-anal part and D. Gill slits. Option 3 A. Notochord, B. Nerve cord, C. Gill slit and D. Post-anal part. And option 4 A. Gill slits, B. Post-anal part, C. Nerve cord and D. Notochord. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स इन chordates. So key concept for this question is chordates. तो पहले हम समझते हैं कि chordates होते क्या हैं. So chordate organisms होते हैं जो belong करते हैं to the phylum Chordata. Chordata. So इस phylum में present होते हैं vertebrates, sea squirts and lancelets. So chordates में in their life cycle इनमें present होता है एक stage पर a stiff dorsal supporting rod जिसको बोला जाता है notochord. So ये notochord is the structure given in the diagram that is marked B. So B is notochord and just above the gut present होता है एक hollow nerve cord. So the structure marked A is the nerved cord. So जो chordate में present pharynx होता है just उसके exterior पर present होते हैं कुछ openings जिनको बोला जाता है gill slits. And according to the diagram, D part is the gill slit. So chordates का एक characteristic feature होता है that उनकी जो tail होती है ये extend करती है behind and above the anus. So according to the diagram, the C part is the post-anal part. So A is nerve cord, B is notochord, C is post-anal part and D is gill slits. So B is the correct answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.